What? Why is my hair still brown? Why? Why? Okay. I don't even know what the fuck to say. I'm in my bathroom looking in my mirror. I don't even know what the hell to say. Why is my hair still brown? Is that shit expired? I got so many questions. Like, why is my hair still brown? Why? Hey, y'all. Notice anything different? If you clicked on this video, then you already know by the title. So yeah, I added some extensions to my new microlocs. Bam, bam, get into it, get into it. I'ma break my neck. I'ma break my neck. I'm gonna break my neck. Wait, I got dizzy. Anywho, if you want to know how I went from this to this, just keep watching. I added extensions to my microlocs because one day I woke up and it looked like I stuck my finger in a socket and I was not feeling that, okay? First I was like, maybe I'm a little self-conscious because my hair is short, but no, that's not it, because I've been bald before. Like, my hair has been like really, really low by choice because it's just hair. I can buy more, which I did. I can make a wig. I can cut it off. I can change colors and yada, 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 yada. So no, that wasn't it. I just think waking up and I'm sitting up here like this, that ain't cool. That ain't cool. I ain't like it. So this is what I did. I added some extensions, I don't even want to say extensions. I added some length. I used this hair that I have left over. If you go to my video where I made the my lock extensions, I use this hair. As you can see, I don't know if the light is showing, but it's like a number 4, which is my natural hair color. It's like a dirty brown. I do not like it. Yeah, so that is what that's the color of this. I use this. It is human hair, and then I just dyed it because y'all, I tried to rinse my hair and all right, y'all, I'm back. So, kind of rushed, but I was just tired of the dirty brown looking hair. Let's see. I couldn't see it because I didn't have my...
It was at this moment that he knew.
What the hell's going on?
Y'all.
He fucked up.
Y'all. And, yeah, it didn't really work. Yeah, it didn't really work. So I dyed it, and that's how I got it nice and dark. And I also retightened the front. Came with 3. So I got these off of Amazon, and this is what I use to retighten my hair. And it's looking crinkly because I braided the front and I just took it out. I did not retighten the back of my hair, and I probably should. I also know now that I will not wait 3 to 4 weeks to do the retightening because my roots was like, they wanted to be, you know, they wanted to hang out with their friends. They was trying to like do a get together. They was like, we together, ain't no separating us. My roots was not trying to be separate at all. Was not trying to be no parts. Like, these was turning into locks, not micro, just locks. Like, they ain't want to be separate. So I can't go too long in between reties. I'm noticing now because I did not know before. I just didn't do the back because I honestly just got lazy. I was like, I'm tired, so I just didn't do it. I am though. One day, who gonna check me? I promise I'm gonna do it. I am. I just really don't know when, but I'm gonna do it. I'm probably gonna have a wig on before I do it. I just wanted to see if these tools were small enough for me to do my hair, and they are. I'll insert a little clip of the back of my hair. My hair grows super fast. What I did was, I'm not gonna make this long and drawn out. What I did was, I started on the sides when I started adding the extensions, and then I went around the back, and then I kind of closed it up. It's not long at all, but it's longer than what it was, which is okay, because I could have made it super long, but I'm okay with this. I started going around like this, and I had like the middle left, and then I dyed it because I wasn't about to walk around with brown, black, you know, I wasn't gonna do all of that. So then I dyed it, and then I worked on some in the middle. So some of mine in the middle, as you will see in the snippet I'm gonna put in there, some of them you can see that they are brown, and that's fine. I'm okay with that because I think it looks a little bit more natural. I'm okay with that. As long as the front of my hair is not the dirty brown, I'm okay. And like I said before, I love a middle part, so I got it. And yeah, so I like a middle part. So yeah, I got a middle part. I think I was telling y'all in the other video that I shaved my sides. They are growing back. I actually have enough to add an extension onto them, but guess who's super lazy? So I just didn't do it. No real reason. I just didn't. But yeah, so I got my extensions going on right here. I did not record me doing the extensions. I probably should have, but I really just didn't think nobody really wanted to see it. So I didn't record it. But because this ain't my hair, y'all know it'll just take me like 2 seconds to take one out or two out and just put it. Honestly, I did it the same way I did my feed-in braids. I did it the same exact way. So if y'all want to head on over to that video, I did it the same exact way. If y'all want to see it, let me know. Let me get 5 comments, and I'll post a video of me adding the extensions, or I'll just do it over putting the extensions in my hair. That's it. That's all I really wanted to say. I wanted to come and show you guys how my extensions are looking. My microloc extensions. It's really hard to find microloc extensions on YouTube. I really couldn't find it. Yeah, I'm liking them. I look like a damn Christmas tree with this green and this red on. But anyway, that's all for that. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, please. It's free. It's fucking free. It's free. It's not gonna cost you nothing. Like, just go ahead and do it. And then go follow my Instagram, positively.nera. Yes, just you know, I don't have no real reason. Just please. That's it. That's all I'm saying. It's just do it for me. Do it for the vine. I don't know what that had to do with nothing, but just that's it. So y'all be good, be safe, stay cool. That's it, that's all. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in my next video.